Okay.
I really love this place. Good vibes.
The Chalamet complex was built from the ground up to be the ideal, comfortable workplace.
Can it gloves?
It's in his hand.
Been here
okay.
before.
Soviet style.
Will we make it for the
Fingers?
speech?
Oh, we've got plenty of time. We can even go on rides afterwards.
This water looks
Chalamet
crazy.
City floats on the Icarus platform, a feat of modern science and technology. This city in the clouds was built in 1950.
I fucking love that voice. I love
Leading
those voices that do
scientists
that
from
shit.
all the other
Like,
Soviet
Portal,
republics live
in
here,
Portal, I love that shit.
including the German SSR. You need to have an
Yeah,
exceptionally
sailor.
brilliant and dedicated mind to work here.
Would you care for some more soda, comrade?
Oh, soda on the go skis? Can I choose? Oh, yeah, I want some of that. Give me some of that. Where's that
Sure,
Pepsi
thanks.
Cola? That Cola Pepsi. No, that's not a funny joke. That's disrespectful, apparently. Huh? Okay.
Looks like another bot got stuck in a tree. That always cracks me up.
They're still working on the robot's navigation systems.
Yeah, I noticed. Wow, what a beautiful day.
Damn, dude, this game looks really. I really wish I spoke Russian or even read that shit. 'Cause look at that. That says other robots with other robots. That's stupid.
What's up with your Vovas bots, Andre? They're going haywire. What the hell did you do to them?
They've been like that all day. Number 3 is booked. I need these houses painted, but look at what they're doing instead.
Who is Robin? Girthy pig.
Give me your control code. I'll set them straight. Hold Piggy, sweetie.
Piggies.
Oh, thanks,
Piggies.
Mum. The code's 0451.
Okay, then. Get to work, you bums. Move it! Move it!
Oh, you did it. Oh, thanks a million. Enjoy the celebration.
These robots have mustaches?
Good morning, my boy. How are you? Did you sleep well?
Good morning, Dr. Sechenov. I slept fine. Waiting orders.
How do you like the new glove?
Better than the old one. It's growing on me.
I'd expect nothing less. I designed the device myself. Be careful with it now. It's more important than you might think.
Yes, Dr. Sechenov. I'll keep it safe.
Report to the lab to complete your integration with the glove. I've got a full schedule today, so Mikhail Stockhausen will get you up to speed. I'll be in touch later.
Roger that.
That's an interesting.
You've been ordered to the laboratory, Comrade Major. There's a turbine waiting for you at the
I
airway.
know I'm trying to look
Are your
around.
orders clear?
Crystal, get off my case already.
I'm pleased to hear you don't have any questions, for once.
You dickhead.
Call the robot a dickhead? The glove in his hand a dickhead?
Comrades, Icarus platform residents, and facility guests. The address by the Director General of Facility 3826, Dr. Sechenov, is about to begin. Gather in the town square to hear his address.
Oh, is that the homie I'm talking to? That's the homie. I'm moving pretty fast. Hold on. I've seen a lot of robots. There's a lot of robot diversity. I'm about to get. I feel like this is gonna be hard. Oh, what's going on?
Buy a copy of the Facility Herald, comrade. Breakthroughs abound. Biology, robotics, gunsmith.
You can't stop progress, huh?
That's right. Doesn't it fill you?
Oh, kind of. With pride. Okay. I feel
Well,
like
I won't take up any more of your time. Take it easy. A
World's
newspaper.
building right now.
What the hell do I need that for?
In case you're unaware, newspapers are a source of information.
I've got a talking glove on my hand.
Straight away.
Can't I just get the information from you?
Comrade
words
Major,
happening right now.
may I
I'm not
remind you that I can display information about our surroundings on your retina? It won't make you any smarter, but it will make it easier to read. Use your glove's built-in menu.
Lousy prick.
Take a picture?
Let's just take the picture of the way we are.
Say cheese! Get ready for your group
Easy,
photo,
it's over here.
comrades.
Taking it close to you, man.
Terribly sorry,
Gut on you.
but all the tables have already been booked. Please come back later.
Interesting. It's tanning in pants. Yeah, you can use a little bit of action on you with the shoes. Oh shit, dance with it, go ahead. That's some good moves.
One jab, and you're done.
Jab from this? Well, I think it's shaking a lot for a fucking little jab, dude. I don't know about this guy. Okay, this
Comrades, assemble near the Brown Plague Memorial for a tour. Learn about the history of Facility 3826. Hear about its great discoveries.
Fact that I'm like-
and pay your respects to all the victims of war.
Everyone here seems so happy and content. Just like in China.
You've been to China, Comrade Major?
I've been everywhere. I mean, everywhere except for China, I guess.
Facility 3826 isn't all that far from our Chinese allies.
I like their spirit. And I hear it's nice there.
Indeed it is.
Bro, you're telling me I had to walk all the way around this. Can't even jump, nope. Some busy people over there.
Science is amazing.
Comrades, the day will come when all the planets of the solar system.
Bro, I hope this lady doesn't go bad.
Major
bro.
Nachai
These
reporting
ladies- I
for
like these
duty on
robots,
Comrade
though.
Sechenov's direct
The other
order.
ones-
Welcome, Comrade Major.
I can see it.
Today is a joyful occasion. The birthday of Collective.
Yeah, many happy returns. Cut to the chase, would you? I've got places to be.
Naturally. This is the future of Soviet education. A personal project of Dr. Sechenov's Poly Education. Gone are the days when Soviet citizens had to spend years studying at educational institutions. From this moment on, just inject a special neuropolymer encoded with the education you want, a university-level natural sciences curriculum, for example, and you'll instantly become an educated member of society. Want to learn Korean, or get a doctorate in nuclear physics, or learn to play the piano? With Collective 2.0, you can.
Yeah, been there, done that. Skip the foreplay, bot.
Excuse me, of course. Your particular case definitely calls for something more efficacious. Nevertheless, you will still need an initial neuropolymer injection. Comrade Sechenov is expecting you, Agent P3. I've been informed of your imminent arrival. Here, take this capsule.
What happened to P2 and P1, bro? Why am I P3? That's actually an honest question. Ooh. Want some nummy nummies, apparently? Go ahead, put it on there, dude. Juice it up.
You have just upgraded your glove with scanner functionality. Using the neuropolymer as a conduit, the sensors in your glove are now directly connected to your neural system, especially your eyes' polymer retina. To activate the scanner, just make a special gesture. Please choose an object of interest and extend your arm toward it. The palm of your hand should be facing the object. Contract all the fingers on your hand except for your thumb and index finger. Extend your thumb and index finger to form a right angle to activate the scanner.
Holy shit, bot. Who designed this thing? The Spanish Inquisition?
Okay.
Demon, be gone.
There you go. That's pretty funny.
For your information, that's a highly user-friendly gesture. It was developed by our leading expert in the field of advanced interpretive avant-garde absurdist Dadaism.
Whatever that guy's been smoking, sign me up.
Didn't you say you were in a hurry just a moment ago?
Shut your trap and keep scanning, would you? I'm getting acquainted with the new hardware.
You are now capable of seeing hidden objects. This ability could prove very useful in the future. But for now, please
I could just walk
with your
this way.
mission.
Comrades, the address by the Director General of Facility 3826, Dr. Sechenov, is about to begin.
How big this event is, this guy seems like he's... I don't know.
Greetings, comrades.
Bro, I wonder how to be dealing with that.
Sechenov, and this is Facility 3826.
Look at all these freaking robots.
A warm welcome to your
all these motherfuckers, all these people. Dead. Dead. We're gonna die. It's gonna be bad news.
the greatest event in the history of a man. We find ourselves just one small step away from an amazing evolutionary victory that will profoundly change the world as we know it.
That's motivation for sure. Hopefully, something bad doesn't.
Just look at how our beloved Soviet Union has been transformed in the last few decades.
Report to the lobby of that high-rise, comrade.
Thanks to my invention of neuropolymers and the process of genetic adaptation, it has now become possible to launch a worldwide, all-encompassing version of the Collective 2.0 network. At last, a network of humans and robots.
So do they have mustaches?
Humans will be able to control machines with their thoughts.
Hey, he's a phone. He's a phone man.
Finally, we will be free to forget the difficult, tedious drudgery of unskilled labor and dedicate
So glad
ourselves
to see you're
science.
taking it easy, Comrade
On
Major.
behalf of all
The car is waiting.
38
You must go to Dr. Sechenov's office for the access code.
You the
You
device
left
of
with
the
one of his
future.
bodyguards.
Yeah,
Neural
literally.
connector thought. It will allow human beings to be at the center of Collective 2.0, a network for all mankind together. Uniting the intellect of all individuals into a powerful mind free of all boundaries.
Look at this beautiful ass game, bro. This game is actually pretty damn insane.
I love this place.
I know I'm
No
playing
matter
in
how many
10,
times I come
1080,
here, it always
1080p.
amazes me.
With
It's
60
just
action.
so nice.
But damn, this game is fucking nice.
Combining it with your own individual discoveries. You will no longer need control panels, cumbersome communications equipment, and loudspeakers, documents, electronic notebooks, etc. Thought will replace every single one of them. And
Sound a
so
little too
much
familiar.
more. Your potential will be unlimited. Want to learn a foreign language in a minute? Master quantum physics in a day. Memorize literary masterpieces from around the world. This all will be possible once your thought neural connector is installed right here on your temple. All communication between your brain and your personal thought device is made possible via a tiny injection of neuropolymer at a local center for polymerization, where you will also receive your thought device in 5 minutes. In just 5 minutes, you'll become the future. Comrade, as a citizen of the mighty Soviet Union, join your compatriots and undergo polymerization today. Stand with Collective 2.0. Learn how to control robots with your own mind and...
Open up.
Talk about
Oh,
style. Science is power, I tell
goodness.
you. The boss has a way of looking down on insurmountable obstacles. I really respect that.
There are no obstacles science cannot surmount.
Other than an electronic glove that never shuts up.
Tall as hell.
Activation code, Comrade Major.
Has been down on me. All right.
Got
From
it.
the hand.
The vehicle is waiting downstairs. You should hurry. You don't have much time.
Y'all come with
We
me.
could take the same elevator we took to get up here.
I like
Thanks,
those.
Einstein. What would I ever do without you?
This is a big plane. I like this plane. Wow. Now this is a dream. Bro, I bet there's some. Wow. Let me get out of here. But this elevator don't got doors?
Sechenov here. Sorry I can't meet with you in person, my boy. The reporters have been hounding me all day. So, what do you think of Chalamet?
You've built yourself a city of the future, boss. There's nothing else like it in the whole USSR.
I built it for all mankind, not for myself. Humanity is on the verge of great discoveries. One day we'll reach the stars. These castles in the sky will be the beginning of our journey to the farthest reaches of the universe. I'm merely helping humanity realize its own greatness.
You're a dreamer, Dr. Sechenov.
Fantasy and science go hand in hand. Most modern inventions were described long ago in science fiction. Flying machines, space travel, even robots.
Are you telling me you got your ideas from sci-fi novels?
I got them from the dreams of mankind, P3. Man was born to dream, to do great things.
That's harder.
But unfortunately, there are those who wish to crush those dreams. And that's where men like you come in, Sergei. Men sworn to defend mankind and its destiny.
Need me to get rid of somebody, boss?
You're very relaxed about it, my boy. I hope it won't come to that. But let's take it one step at a time. First, you'll need a substantial glove upgrade. Report to the lab. A Tereshkova robot will meet you there and take you to the Vavilov complex. Understood?
Yes, sir. I'm getting in the car right now.
So are we going to be able to drive in this game? Is that what driving is?
This one's a
gas security. Sun windows, so get some air. Yeah, let the sun in. You are not about to live being
secure your seatbelt.
You are not about to live
very pleasant journey.
They say fuck driving. Fuck driving.
Isn't there supposed to be a radio in here?
Put that on, slap it on.
The entire Soviet Union is ecstatic about the unveiling of Collective 2.0 with
Yeah, I just came
parades
from
in
one of them.
every
I get
city.
it.
The American government is expressing deepening concern about the skyrocketing unemployment figures following the deliveries of robotic
Politics,
workers
screw
from the
that.
We've got plenty of thought devices. There won't be a shortage, said People's Deputy Alexander Shalchinov in response to widespread concern in the city of Ozyorsk.
How about some music? That's more like it.
Bro, if I get tabbed for copyright infringement, I might throw a fit. Wait, hold on. Oh, streamer, thank you. Okay. Yes. All right, well, y'all saw it, folks. I'm going by the rules. There's islands. Shit. Okay, that's actually damn.
I see you finally begun your assignment, and it's been less than an hour. Sehr gut.
Jawohl, mein Führer.
What did you just say?
I said the signal's on the fritz, but thanks anyway, Herr Stockhausen. Dr. Sechenov already filled me in.
Don't you think that may have been a bit too much?
Nope.
For some reason, your response didn't surprise me at all.
Guess I don't have any respect for brown-nosers.
Tell me, is there anyone you do have respect for?
Sure, but respect is earned. Dr. Sechenov has mine because he saved my life on the operating table. Everybody else needs to earn it. Anyway, why the hell are we riding a jalopy strapped to a damn robot? Were all the jets taken or something? Shit.
Riding turbines is an important tradition. It's a way to remember the days when Facility 3826 was brand new, as we used to ride these vehicles to our very first scientific complex.
Fair enough, but why is it a tradition to have them pulled by bumblebees? And why do we call them bumblebees when they look more like flying pigs?
Flying pigs? Have you seen flying pigs before? How about flying cows?
Yeah, on the Condor. One time some genius like you forgot to put up a fence, but those cows only flew in one direction. Straight down.
I have a suggestion, Comrade Major. Why don't you worry about your mission, and I'll do the thinking for both of us?
Shut the hell up, Glove. I'm trying to listen.
To what?
Statue.
Is there anything here you haven't seen yet?
I've never been here before. Zip it.
What? How come?
I don't know, damn it. Now quit bugging me.
My apologies.
So cool. I don't... Spotify. Damn, bro, it's already been 20 minutes. I haven't shot nobody. Hey. God's rep some bars. Oh my goodness, got a flying car. I don't know.
This is Facility 3826's audio guide. We will soon be arriving at our destination. Estimated time of arrival is 11:47 a.m. Outside temperature, 26 degrees Celsius. There is a slight breeze. You can now observe the Soyuz Granite Bridge spanning Lake Lazur and two of the facility's high-profile test sites, the VDNH and Sakhalin. These are connected by magnetic levitation or maglev rail. This technology was pioneered by the Chelomey Design Department and a personal project of Dr. Lebedyansky. You can now observe the operations of an automated plant, performing robot assembly and distributing machine parts required by the facility's various complexes. Controlled remotely by a collective 1.0 node, a plant such as this is capable of autonomously managing and fulfilling up to 100 orders per hour. Directly below is Dr. Sechenov's Computational Center, the main radio processing unit and control nexus for this network node. We are currently flying over sunflower solar farms, capable of supplying electricity to the entire VDNH, as well as the Friendship of People's Park, nearby settlements, and the maglev train lines. Maglev train stations connect all of Facility 3826, allowing personnel to travel from one complex to another with comfort and ease. We are now flying past the majestic Call of the Motherland Monument, erected in 1949 to mark the Soviet Union's victory in World War II, and are now entering the grounds of the Vavilov Complex, the site where Facility 3826's numerous agricultural miracles took root. You are now observing the Soviet Sickle Monument, designed by sculptors Elena Muhina and Alexander Kibalnikov, and autonomously erected in 1951 by the Collective 1.0 Neural Network with the help of robot builders. Note that this effectively makes it the world's first collaborative artistic effort between man and machine. Our brief guided tour is coming to an end. Facility 3826 is always ready to welcome new specialists from anywhere in the Soviet Union. We are confident that you will be thrilled to live and work in this world of revolutionary breakthroughs and fantastic scientific achievements for the glory of the Communist Party and the Soviet people.
Why are you going to be flying at that?
Major, the Drova's initiating combat maneuvers.
Initiating what? For real?
Watch out!
What am I supposed to do about it?
Safety,
What the?
please do not unfasten your seatbelt until the vehicle has come to a complete stop.
You have reached your destination. You are now at Laboratory 8 of the Vavilov Alpha facilities.
Take my hand, Comrade Major.
baby.
I will escort you to the Vavilov complex.
I knew you'd save me. What's
What in
going
the
on?
sweaty hell is going on here?
Unfortunately, I have no information on the subject.
Hilderbots.
All the robots have
Not
been
the
carrying out their
Hilderbots.
normal operations until they suddenly became hostile.
Come with me. Come with me. Come on.
Oh,
What the hell are you doing,
slipped.
you lousy bots? Get your rusty metal asses out of here!
That was really very rude of them.
The elevator is now operational.
Oh no.
Fuck off, bitch!
Our ascent is once again continuing normally. A Drofa towing robot will be here shortly to perform magnetic coupling and take us by air to...
Son of a bitch, not again.
Oh, help me, Comrade Major.
Oh, I got you. Hold
I'm
on.
falling.
Give me a hand.
Shit.
Does he take... You were in it.